What's up, you guys? Welcome back to our channel. Okay guys, so there's a bird stuck in this, you see, and we think he can't fly, or I don't know, something. He started making noise, and then the mom came. She left now. I saw her fly away, but
it's because she couldn't find her.
She like poked her head right there, and she couldn't find him or her. But you hear they keep calling each other. We don't know what to do. We don't know how to save the poor thing. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! We think it's a baby because the mom looked huge.
And it's like making that chirping noise. Like it sounds like a baby.
Oh, let's see if the mom comes back. And what is the mom gonna do?
Mama,
Here, Jordan, hold it.
it's right there.
It's right here now. It's like it's trying to fly. Here, Jordan.
Yeah. I see it.
It's right here. Look.
It's right there. It's like looking at the stick. Did you just see that? A bird went flying.
Yeah, I think that was the mom.
It's like looking for.
But the mom can hear it, but she just doesn't know where it is. I just saw it again.
Yeah, I saw it over there.
She's so flying away.
It's to the top.
Yeah, I think. Yeah. Oh,
He keeps poking his head there, like, come on, help me. No, it's not. Their mom. I see the mom. She's right there. You see? Oh, you guys just saw her fly. But she can't find the baby.
okay. So me and my mom has an idea to get it. I grab a shovel. I try to scoop it up and put it back. And then we grab it, scoop it. Oh, that was the mom. Oh man, it's trying to fly up. So like, I think like it'll recognize us. So I think it'll let us put him on the shovel. So we put him on the shovel. We put him back up, and then we just leave him there or her. And see what the mom sees.
Right there.
Hello, little guy.
I'm scared for some reason. Okay. I'm gonna pick you up.
You acted like it understands you.
It might. Oh, woo! I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Come on, get on. Get on.
Come on.
I'm just
Try
trying
to help the mom,
Come on,
the bird.
get up.
And she didn't say,
When it flies, it usually hits that. When it hits it and it comes down, hurry up, scoop it up. Let me try.
Mama, she's
Jordan's
coming.
gonna try.
I almost missed. It's fine. Oh.
He's scared. I told you. I think we're making it worse.
What?
His heart is beating. He looks terrified.
Yeah.
Let's just leave the shovel.
It was a baby.
We're trying to save you.
He tried to save you. He's trying to save you, Jordan.
Oh.
Oh, he's coming.
Come on, little guy. Come on. Oh, it was on.
Yeah, but you need to push it up.
Sorry.
I'm so sorry.
Oh, okay. Get
Come on, little bird. Mama, the bird is coming.
I really want to get in and just scoop it up.
I mean, if you want to. Oh, I just squished its foot on accident. Oh, I'm so sorry, little guy.
Sorry.
No, he's really scared of us.
No.
Oh.
No, she's scared.
Naruto, run.
It's stinking wet. Yeah. I tried to save you.
I thought it trusted us.
We're gonna record this. Are you recording it?
Yes.
Oh my god, we just saved.
Yes. We
We still go back in there?
did it.
He's terrified now.
One more time. Please don't tell me it went back in. Nope, it's not back in. It's right there. Whoa. We saved the bird. Let's go. All right. There they are. That's the baby. The mom is like flying. But the baby's right there. Apparently my grandma and grandpa knew where they lived the whole time. Oh, I found the baby. It was literally right there. It's right there. There's somewhere here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, they seem mad. I'm out. So guys, that was our little video, our short video. I hope you like it. That just made me more sweaty because it's hot and I got nervous. So yeah, but that was just our little short video. I hope you like it. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share to all of your friends, and that's all.